To add the Rakuten extension after a purchase, follow these steps. First, ensure you have a Rakuten account. If not, sign up for one on the Rakuten website. After signing up, go to the Chrome or Firefox browser store and search for Rakuten. Click on the Rakuten extension and select Add to Browser. Once added, click on the Rakuten icon in your browser toolbar and sign in with your Rakuten account credentials. After signing in, the extension will be active and ready to use. When you make a purchase on a website that is a Rakuten partner, the extension will automatically prompt you to activate cashback. Click on the Activate Cashback button to earn cashback on your purchase. You can also manually activate cashback by clicking on the Rakuten icon in your browser toolbar and selecting the Activate Cashback option. The extension will then redirect you to the Rakuten website where you can complete your purchase and earn cashback. To track your cashback earnings, simply log into your Rakuten account and view your cashback balance. You can also use the Rakuten extension to browse partner stores and find exclusive deals and discounts. Best practices for using the Rakuten extension include ensuring you are signed into your account before making a purchase and always activating cashback when prompted. Additionally, be sure to read the terms and conditions of each partner store to understand the cashback rates and any restrictions that may apply. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily add the Rakuten extension after a purchase and start earning cashback on your online purchases. The Rakuten extension is a simple and convenient way to save money and earn rewards on your online shopping.